This video from the Capital Region Unity Developers Meetup explains how to use Microsoft Visual Studio together with Unity for improved script editing and debugging. Doing this used to require a paid version of Microsoft Visual Studio, along with Unity VS from Syntax Tree, which was also paid software. In July of 2014, Microsoft acquired Syntax Tree and made Unity VS, now called Visual Studio Tools for Unity, available for free. However, this still required the professional edition of Visual Studio, which was not free. In November of 2014, Microsoft announced that the Community Edition of Visual Studio 2013 would be available for free for individuals or small teams. This replaces the more limited Express Edition and is technically similar to the Professional Edition. What this means for Unity developers is that all the components needed for using Visual Studio together with Unity are now available for free for individuals and small teams. In this video, we will quickly show how to set up these powerful tools and begin using them. If you have corrections or information not mentioned in this video, please add comments below to help others. You can search for Visual Studio Community 2013 to find the download site. Visual Studio is already installed on this computer, so we don't need to go through the process again. When you are asked whether you want any of the extras, none are needed. To install Visual Studio Tools for Unity, go to unityvs.com. Click on the 2013 version and download, then run the installer. Again, this computer is already set up, so we don't actually need to do the installation. Next, bring up a Unity project where you would like to try Visual Studio. Under the Assets menu, choose Import Package, and then Visual Studio 2013 Tools. Then import the tools. A new menu is added called Visual Studio Tools. Choose Generate Project Files. Then choose Configuration. The default options are fine. Then choose Open Visual Studio. This opens your Unity project in Visual Studio. You can navigate through your script files and edit them within Visual Studio. This is a very powerful development environment. In this video, we will only show a few features. All the variables and methods in your file can be viewed from a pull-down to quickly jump to any of them. In this case, we will jump to the Set Hover Mode method. Suppose we want to find where we have used Smooth Damp anywhere in the project. We can use Find in Files to locate everywhere it has been used. Finally, here's a quick look at debugging. Under Debug, click on Attach Unity Debugger. Choose your project and you are ready to debug. To show it works, we will put a breakpoint in the Set Hover Mode method. Within Unity, we launch the game. When we click on the hover button within the game, we hit the breakpoint that we set, and execution pauses there. Values of variables are displayed, and we can single step through lines of code and watch how the values change. Values that have just changed are colored red in the Local Variables window. That's it to get started. There are many more capabilities of Visual Studio tools for Unity, and we won't try to show them all here. We hope this short video helps you get started. Let us know your favorite tricks using Visual Studio with Unity.